Hi, this is a quick demo of the work I've been doing in the last couple of days. The idea is that there's a Grails project on GitHub that anybody can download the source code to. And then with a single command that's included in the source directory that they've just cloned, run a single command that starts the application. So in effect, they can immediately start using a real Grails application. Then they can go in, make changes, play around, and see how that affects the running application. The first time a user does this, typically they will end up under the hood downloading all the Grails jars that are required to run the application. So it can take a while to start up. This isn't the important part of the demo, so we're going to fast forward to the more interesting part. Once the application is started and running, we just open the localhost URL in a browser. And here we see it's a simple to-do application. Under the hood, it's actually commit-based, using events between browser and server. But what I find particularly interesting is this link, Connect to Cloud Foundry. This takes you to Cloud Foundry instance login page, where the user logs in, and depending on whether they've logged in recently or not, they may ask you to authorize the application. Once that's all done, you will return to the application. You're on localhost, and you now have a new link, which is deploy the application. Clicking on this will set up a deployment procedure, which involves packaging up the source code of the application. So in fact, it will package up any changes the user has made to this existing application, and then push that to the Cloud Foundry instance that he or she has just logged into. So in effect, within just 3 or 4 steps, the user has gone from no application to a running application in the cloud. And this is a really compelling approach, in my view, to getting users interested in both platforms, both Grails and Cloud Foundry.